In this video, we're going to learn a shuffle ball change shuffle hop step combo. Let's get started. Shuffle ball change shuffle hop step consists of 4 steps: shuffle, ball change, another shuffle, hop, and a step. In this combo, you repeat this cycle 3 times into 2 4-beat riffs. Altogether, each bar consists of 8 sounds. Let's break it down. Start with your feet together, knees relaxed with your weight leaning slightly forwards over the balls of your feet. Shuffle in front of your supporting foot around 1 to 2 inches so that you can use the same foot to start the ball change without having to step so wide. As you do the ball change, keep your weight in the middle of your feet. Bend your knees into the ball change and keep your body still. From here, you shuffle again 1 to 2 inches in front of your bent supporting leg, to then hop on your supporting leg to land with a step immediately beside your supporting leg. Use the step to keep balanced and stable whilst transferring your weight to the opposite leg to repeat on the opposite side. Repeat this cycle 3 times into 2 4-beat riffs. For the timing, you have and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And there you have it. Shuffle will change shuffle hop step. Keep practicing and keep on dancing. See you in the next tutorial.